This is my little brake drum forge I made when I was about 15. It's about yay deep. It's got a little ceramic thing to protect the twee. Got 3 little metal legs. You'd open that to dump out the ash. And I had a blower fan off a car heater just running on 12 volts, blowing in air in there. And I had a piece of sheet metal in there I could open and close for the air. It worked really well. I used this for ages. That's a Land Rover brake drum, but you could use any brake drum. I hang my poker on that.